We're at Disney's Riviera in a one-bedroom villa. Give you a tour of the room. This is the entryway. Place to hang up some things. Nice, roomy entry. You come in and the full kitchen is right in front. Over to the side, we'll go all the way around. So you have a full refrigerator, freezer, or stove and microwave, coffee pot, dishwasher, sink, and because it's a DVC property, all of the things you'll need are included, dishes and things, plates and bowls. Very large seating area to eat, or if your kids are still in school and need to do schoolwork. This room will sleep 3 out here. The full one-bedroom villa will sleep 5. There's a bed up here. Eric's gonna pull it down and show you. You don't even have to move any furniture, you just pull the bed down with your beautiful Peter Pan painting. There's even little side tables that move around. You can put these over your bed if you wish. So there's one of your sleeping areas. And then this over here under your TV is another sleeping area. Mickey and Pluto are hanging out. Some other chairs and seating area here. There's one door here to the balcony. This is a standard view room. Right out to the front lobby, right there. We're really close to the front lobby. Then into the bedroom. Beautiful king-size bed. Seating area. Desk if you have some work to do. Full-size mirror. Tons of storage for all of your belongings. Another very large TV. There are USB and outlets throughout. Disney is still doing the enhanced cleaning for all of the COVID. There's a full closet. These doors slide into the bathroom area where you are then greeted by this beautiful spa tub that does have the bubbles. That'd be great for after a long day at the parks. Big fluffy towels waiting for you. Huge mirror, sink, counter area for all of your bathroom needs. And then there is also a fabulous rainfall shower, which is really large, really nice. Little seating area, the soaps. And then another area over here with sink and mirror. And then you also have full laundry use. So washer and dryer, laundry basket, and they often give you a little bit of detergent. So that makes it nice and easy if you have little ones, or if you just are someone who likes to have your laundry nice and clean. Another neat mirror with a nice frosted finish on it. And there's a big closet here with my children hiding. Extra pillows and blankets, ironing board, vacuum safe, hangers, you would hang things. And then we're back at the front door. So that is the full view of our one-bedroom villa here at Disney's Riviera Resort It's beautiful. It's spacious. We absolutely love it. So let us know if you want more information on a room like this for your next stay.